Yo, what's going on, wolves? It's your girl Island Wolf, and today we're gonna do a review video on the Mpow X3 wireless active noise canceling earbuds. Now, I had these for say like a couple of months. Give you guys my thoughts and the pros and cons of these earbuds. So let's start off with the pros. First thing, they fit in your ear extremely well. They're very comfortable. I have them in my ear right now, as you can see. You're just here, they're not connected to anything because I don't really use these anymore, but they feel great. I really do like them. The noise cancellation is good. Usually when I turn it on, I can't really hear anything, which is also great. The mic quality for phone calls is actually pretty good. Didn't have too much trouble with people hearing me well, or me sounding bad, so that's a good thing. I always want to sound crispy when you on the mic talking to somebody on the phone or something like that, so I'm glad these work pretty well. The sound quality for music, videos, and phone calls is actually phenomenal. The only thing I will say is that you do have to turn the volume up a little bit to hear pretty well, but other than that, it is very good. It sounds good. The music quality, the bass, and all that sounds great in my ear. Not gonna lose my hearing. Also, they're very simple to use. Literally, you just hit one button to pair them, connect them to your phone, and boom, they're there. Literally, you open up the case and you can see all of that in there. Like, I don't know if you guys can see the lights on or whatever, but it just said power off in my ear because I opened up the case. But yeah, simple to use, simple to pair, simple to do everything. It has great, and when I say great, I mean great battery life. I mean, these things, I barely had to charge them, to be honest with you. It also shows how much battery is in the case. I'm pretty sure you guys can't see that, but there's like green LED lights, and depending on how charged the earbuds are, they will light up, kind of like how the Astros light up, or any other wireless headset light up, and show you how the battery status is. So it's really good. It's good to know. No more wondering if you need to charge them or anything like that. It's literally right there on the case, which this is the charging case, by the way. They have a very nice design. Now, I'm a person, I like earbuds that look like this. I like the long type of earbuds. I like that design. I don't really like the little small buds that go in your ear and everything like that. That's not my thing. So I picked these out because they look like this, and I like the design. I think they look dope. That was the last pro for these earbuds. Now let's get into the con. The con for this is that the charging cable is and when I say way too small. I did an unboxing video on these, link in the description, annotation on the screen, and you'll see what I'm talking about in that video. The charging cable is like, it's about the size of my finger. Like, it is so small. Yeah, I don't know where the charging cable is. I would show you if I had it, but just looking in the unboxing video is there. I have to try and balance this on like the charging box in order to charge it. It can't even touch the floor, which is how small it is. It's literally the size of my finger. Literally, I'm not even joking. Which is a terrible design. Mpow, what are you doing? Don't do that. That's a big con for me. And the last con is that sometimes when I'm sweating, like let's say I'm working out or whatever, or it's just hot, because I live in Florida, it just be hot. When I sweat, it pops out, which is, that's normal for most earbuds, to be honest with you. They're not gonna stay in my ear. My ear is like moist, so yeah, that's not too much of a bad con, but that is a con, so just be aware of that if you want to pick these up for yourself. Overall, I would recommend these things. I had a great experience using them. I use them a lot. I like them. I paid $50 for these things, and it was worth the money. They're really good, especially if you're looking for a pair of, like, I guess earbuds, like long earbuds. I like the little tiny ones that go in your ear. They're a great pair of wireless buds for your phone. I really do recommend it, whether you have an Android or iPhone. You don't want to spend the money to get like Galaxy Buds, which I do have Galaxy Buds. You get these, and these are a good alternative to them, so I recommend them a lot. So unfortunately, I don't have any use for these earbuds anymore, so I gave them to my mom, because I do have the new pair of Galaxy Buds since I do have a new phone. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing a comparison video between the two of those. Videos on the Galaxy Buds unboxing and review video will be coming out soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that on the channel. Look out for that. Turn on notifications, subscribe to the channel. Overall, I would recommend these things. They are worth the money, and if you guys are looking for a pair of nice cheap earbuds for your phone or whatever, go with these. Mpow makes some good stuff, man. These are really good. I'm very impressed with these. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I can already feel them coming out of my ears because I'm starting to sweat. It's a little hot. It's like 91 degrees right now. It's freaking hot in Florida. It's freaking hot. Let me know if you guys have a pair of these, or you're looking for a pair, or you're gonna pick them up. Leave a comment about that down below, and I'm out. Peace.